What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to fix water getting inside your lens. I think I have a picture of water inside my lens, but we're going to put it inside this little stream creek. It's technically considered a river, but it's super small. But yeah, we're going to put the GoPro in the water and we're going to see if water gets inside the lens, and then I'm pretty sure I have a trick to a way to fix it. As you can see, it's closed on all of the sides. Alright guys, so we got the GoPro in. Let's switch it around and put it underwater and see what we can see and if we can find a solution to this problem. It's really annoying. Personally, it's a bad thing because I got a lot of whitewater rafting footage just completely destroyed just because of that little stuff. I'll upload a couple of clips of it. You can just see a whole lot of white around the camera or around the lens while you're taking a video. Ready? Oh. Alright, so now you can see we got the GoPro out of the case. You can see a little bit of water there. I didn't leave it in the water for too long, don't want to risk anything. But the way you're going to be able to get it off is if you just pull back on it a little and twist. As you can see, it started twisting. Once it twists, you pop it right off. Here's the GoPro without it. It's technically still waterproof without the lens. But here's the lens. As you can see, oh yeah, here you go. You can see the water right there. That's not on the outside. As you can see, I'm wiping it off. Then yeah, let's go get this fixed. So now you can see there's still a little bit of water inside. You definitely don't want that back in your GoPro. So what you're gonna want to do is just get a hair dryer. Some Chinese one works. And alright guys, before we put the lens back onto the GoPro, you're gonna want to get something like coconut oil or just any kind of like oil, something that resists water, and lightly put it on to this little rubber gasket seal right there. And yeah, and as you can see, it's just a little bit shiny. I didn't put a whole chunk on there. I didn't get a stick of butter and just rub it all over, but it's a tiny bit of oil, and I think that should do the trick. So now when you're putting the lens back onto the GoPro, you're just going to come in right about here. You can see where the grooves meet. You can push it in kind of, and then you just slide it back. Kind of got to push down, and it should pop right back into place. Let's let that sit for a little bit and we'll check it out and see if that works. Alright guys, so the GoPro's been sitting inside of the sink for a little bit now, and as you can see, there is no evidence of water getting inside. You can see where the oil is. It's like right on the corner, just like right there.
and it seems to be holding up surprisingly well. I'll meet you guys back in about a minute and we'll check it out.
Alright guys, so it's been sitting for about 2 minutes already. Somehow I pressed snooze, so the longer the better, but as you can see, there is absolutely no water inside of the lens. So let's pull it out and check it out. Alright guys, so about 30 minutes later, everything still works good. GoPro still records everything. So yeah, I think this is the only solution we have on YouTube so far. I've been searching all morning. People say throw it in a refrigerator, but if you're out dirt biking or doing something in the wilderness, fishing, you don't really have time to throw it inside a refrigerator. But yeah, so if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know if it worked for you too, and yeah, peace.